Welcome to the Fry's Motor Company again. Here's a lovely car to tell you about. Probably the most sought after wheelchair car on offer at the moment. The Peugeot Partner 1600cc diesel engine, but it's the latest Euro 6 engine, so there's no charge to go into London, Ulez wise. £20 road tax, shows you how low the emissions are a year. Now inside at the front we've got a very comfortable cabin, automatic, seat height adjustment, steering column up and down, overhead shelf, smooth and quiet. It's been upgraded over there with a fancy radios and sat nav. You just plug your own phone into this lead here, and then you can answer the phone, and it gives you guidance. We've got cruise control. This was what Allied called the Premier model. We've got full service history, 3,000 miles, 7,000 miles, 11, 12, 17. It's just 20,900 at the moment. Now if the seat isn't folded, we've got 5 seats, but we've got it in wheelchair mode at the moment. So we go around the back, we've got the lowered floor, the easy glide ramp, which is very easy to use and lightweight. We've got a winch, so we just get the winch remote control, stand at the back of the wheelchair, give a tiny bit of guidance and pressing the in button, and it gently pulls it in. No stress or hassle. Because everything's so smooth and quiet, no one gets alarmed by any thoughts that something might be going wrong. Then these belts go on the back. Just get hold of them like that. They clip down there like that. Press the red button, around the back, seat belt on. Then this stands up vertically. And you're ready to go. We've got privacy glass at the back, so no one's looking in, seeing what you're up to. Keeps the sun out. So I said, but this is what they call the Premier model. There's a little button here, back window opens, so if you're at the beauty spot you can lean through, say hello. Twin sliding doors. So with the wheelchair in, it's 3 seats plus the wheelchair. Without the wheelchair, we've got the full 5 seats. There's its genuine mileage, 20,900. Just turn on. Service in 15,000 miles. That's getting itself ready. As I say, at the moment it just does radio and phone, but if you plug your phone in over there, you've got sat nav, Apple CarPlay, and that's really good to have. There's your automatic gear selection. You just put it into A for automatic, 6 gears, your electric windows, the air conditioning. I did a little journey recently in it, 30 miles, and we averaged 54 to the gallon, which isn't bad, is it? Pretty colour as well. Lovely car. Current model, they call it the Rifter, but it's basically the same, just styling differences, and they're knocking on the door of £31,000, so this is a half price bargain. If you think it's a possibility, give me a ring and I'll tell you more about it. Thanks for looking. I look forward to your call. Bye bye.